as an altar boy. From the time that he was 5, he said being close to Jesus gave him joy. He made up his mind, his vocation he would find, to serve God even as a little boy. Up to the age of 10, he worked as a shepherd then, tending the family flock all day. In Pietrelcina, his hometown, to say the rosary he knelt down and revered all the saints in every way. With Bible stories every night, parents brought him up just right. To join the priesthood he had great desire. Though he was a sickly child, his ambition grew great and wild. His love for Jesus burned like a wildfire. Padre Pio, Padre Pio, we believe in you. Your critics say your saintliness is true. You bore the stigmata with pride and joy till the day you passed away. Faithful, follow us forever. We will continue to pray. Padre Pio, Padre Pio, we believe in you. The journey to his priestly flock was filled with stumbling blocks, yet his faith and willpower saw him through. His father's meager savings suffered many financial shocks, but he was ordained a priest when he was 22. After he received the stigmata, interesting stories did unfold, but sadly his many detractors would not believe. Stories of levitation, miracles and conversations were told, yet they tried to prove he had some trick up his sleeve. Plagued by constant sicknesses, moved from place to place, still people to confess flocked to his side. His holy mass would last for long, his faith in God was always strong. His holy visions to fellow priests he would confide. Padre Pio, Padre Pio, we believe in you. No matter what your critics say, your saintliness is true. You bore the stigmata with pride and joy till the day you passed away. Faithful, follow us forever. We will continue to pray. Padre Pio, Padre Pio, we believe in you. He covered up his bleeding hands, many did not understand, while self-inflicted rumors floated around. His holy wounds inspected by priests and doctors in the land, they were genuine and smelt fragrant, they found. He bore the stigmata for 50 long years, until they disappeared in a mysterious way. He was a symbol of hope through our joy and tears, right until his very last day. Padre Pio is revered as a saint in every corner of the earth. Miracles are still recorded every day. He was born to be a saint right from his very birth, devoted to the rosary all the way. Padre Pio, Padre Pio, we believe in you. No matter what your critics say, your saintly